अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 81, topic number 137. अपवादो नाम रज्जु विवर्तस्य सर्पस्य रज्जु मात्रत्ववत् वस्तु विवर्तस्य वस्तुनः अज्ञानादेः प्रपञ्चस्य वस्तुमात्रत्वम्. We are seeing the Apavada Prakaranam. Once we look into the superimposition, Adhyaropa. Adhyaropa means superimposition. Superimposition means appears but it is not real. Experientially real but factually unreal. The whole creation is a superimposition upon Brahman, Atma Vastu. The whole creation is an aberration or it is a superimposition. Experientially it appears but factually it is not there. So therefore, that superimposition has to be negated. Apavada means negated. The whole chapter is called in English desuperimposition. Apavada means negation or desuperimposition. Then author presents, we have to, in Adhyaropa from Brahman to Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, 5 elements, Sukshma Bhutani, then Sthula Bhutani, then Sukshma Shariram, Sthula Shariram, all came into existence. Once you have to negate, again you have to go back. Unwinding. This is called unwinding. You have to start from Sthula Shariram. You have to resolve Sthula Shariram into Sukshma Shariram and Sukshma into Panchabhutani. Again Panchabhutani has to resolve into Brahman. We are going back. That is called negation. Falsification. Negation means what? Falsification. It is only an abhasa. It is only an appearance. How he says, apavado nama. Negation means, nama means is called as. Apavada means rajju vivartasya sarpasya rajju matrattavad rajju vivartasya. Vivarta karanam, parinami karanam, 2 types of karanams are there. Vivarta karanam means without undergoing. In Vivarta, the product is unreal. In Vivarta karanam, the product is unreal but it appears. In Parinama, product appears and product is real. I'll give example. In Vivarta, the product is unreal. This much you write, enough. In Parinama, product is real. For the first word, sentence ke example is snake, Rajju Sarpa. The snake, what we see, is Vivartam. Upon the rope, we see the snake. So, the rope is the cause of the snake. That cause is called Karanam. Who is Karanam there? Rope is the Karanam. This rope is what type of Karanam? This rope means Vivarta Karanam. That rope produced snake. That snake is not real. That means by which Karanam the product is created, but it is not real. Snake is created as it were. Okay. That snake is a product. Without undergoing a change, that rope, without undergoing a change, snake appears. So the product is unreal. Snake is unreal. Any cause that which produce some product without undergoing a change, that is called Vivarta Karanam. The rope is what? Vivarta Karanam. What about Parinami Karanam? Milk is converted into a curds. The curds is a Parinami Karanam. From the milk it came. Milk is the Parinami Karanam. Total modification. The cause undergoes a change. Once the product comes, curd comes, you don't get milk. Whereas in Vivarta, snake product you see, but what is there? Rope is as it is. But in the second example, milk is not as it is. So milk is also Karanam for curds. Milk is also Karanam. Karanam means what? Cause. For what? Curds. So what type of cause this milk na? Parinami Karanam. Highly technical. Okay. Very, very interesting. Parinami Karanam. That cause which undergoes a change and produce a real product. Curd is real or unreal? Real. That's why daily we are eating curds, no? That's what he says here in this first paragraph. Rajju Vivartasya Sarpasya. Now you can understand easily. Rajju Vivartasya. What came out of that Rajju? Sarpasya. Rajju Matratvavat. What is there really? Rajju Matra. There is snake? No. There is no snake at all. Rajju Matravat. Vat means like that. Just as the rope is the Vivarta Karanam of the snake. Similarly, Vat means like that. Now that is Drishtanta. You have to come to Darshtanta. What is Darshtanta? He says, Vastu Vivartasya Avastu Avastunaha Ajnanadehe Prapanchasya Vastu Matratvam. Inge the crucial. Example nice. What about Dashtanta? Vastu Vivarta. Here Vastu means there he has introduced Vastu. Adhyarapam first. Vastu means Atma or Brahman. Vastu is Brahman. What type of Brahman? Vivartasya. Without undergoing a change. Vastu Vivarta means Atma is that cause without undergoing a change, it is going to produce what? Prapancham karyam. The product is prapancham. Avastunaha ajnanade. Here avastu means prapancham. There in example, what is avastu? Snake. Here what is avastu in Dashtanta? Prapanchaha. There manda andhakara is the cause. No? That is the reason, condition. Here what is the condition? Ajnanam. Simple? Very simple. Ajnanam is the condition for the arrival of non-existent world. It is a non-existent world product. What type of product? Vivartasya. Unreal world. Unreal snake? There unreal snake. Here also unreal world. Very, very difficult to swallow. Unswallowable. But Shastra says, this is the 100% fact. This is what, if you work for that to know the fact, you are the most intelligent person in the world. Medhavi. This is called Medhavi, not gold medalist. Medhavi is one. Atmanatma vivekaha yaha karoti saha medhavi. Isn't it? So, now you see that prapanchasya vastu matratvam. There is a vastu only is there. What is prapanchasya vastu? Brahman. So, there is no prapancha at all. There is no snake at all. Correct then? But that product is unreal. What about this world product? Unreal. Why it appears? Because of ajnanade. Ajnanam. Avidya. Ignorance. Your ignorance is the cause for the reality of the world that you are giving. Really it is not there. Factually it is not there. Worth to study. Yes sir. Puriyardo illiyo. Let us study. Why not? Worth to study. See, whatever is difficult only we must study. Whatever is easy, we need not study. That is called apurva vishayaha, which is not known to people, that which can be known through only Shastra. That is called apurva, unique subject. Which college they will teach this subject? Which science can teach except Shastra? That is the meaning. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next, author gives an example. Example means in shloka form he puts. We'll read that. Topic number 138. Satatvatonyatha pratham pratha vikarai. So, verse form itself will read. Vikarayityudiritah atatvatonyatha pratham vivartayityudiritah iti. என்ன மீட்டரோ தெரியல. ஓகே. ததுக்தம். This has been already discussed an artham. Taduktam. This has been already discussed. Where it has been discussed, now we cannot search where. Now somewhere in some text it has already mentioned. It is not a new subject I am introducing. It is already said by Acharyas. What he says? Satatvataha anyatha pratha. What is vivarta? What I have explained until now, he is putting in Sanskrit words in a shloka form. Anyatha pratha means different appearance of a substance. Anyatha means different. Pratha means appearance. Different appearance of a substance. Snake, that rope is a substance. Rope appears differently as snake. So that is called Anyatha Pratha. Appearing a substance not as it is but differently. That is called Anyatha Pratha. Of what? Satatvataha. Caused by unreal transformation. Caused by satatvataha. Satatvataha means real. Real. Satatvataha. Caused by real transformation. Next line only atatvataha. Okay. The real transformation. Udiritaha. Vivarta iti udiritaha. It is called as Vivarta Karanam. No. Vikara. Sorry. It is called Vikara. Technically it is called Vikara. Vikaram means totally changing its nature. Modification. Then what is Vivartam? Atatvataha Anyatha Pratha. Atatvataha means Satatvataki opposite. Caused by unreal transformation. Atatvataha Anyatha Pratha. The different appearance caused by unreal transformation. So, snake appearance is real transformation of rope or unreal transformation of rope? Unreal transformation of rope. Therefore, called it is Atatvataha Pratha. Atatvata Pratha Vivarta iti Udiritaha. It is called Vivartam. This Vivarta word, if you understand, you can claim Aham Brahmasmi. Ama. 3 types of Karanams. Upadana Karanam, Parinami Karanam, Vivarta Karanam. Upadana Karanam means material cause. Parinami Karana means a cause that which undergoes a change. Real change, a vikara. Vivarta Karana means a cause without undergoing a change creates an appearance of a product. Kilinjal, Samudram, if you go near the ocean, you can see seashells. Now it appears as though silver. In Telugu, they say there is a Sunnaprai, a stone. Inna stone ade? Sunnamanna, white. Sunnaprai. In that there is abrakam. Abrakam and chulva. Some shining part will be there. That shining part appears as silver. Shining part appears as silver. Really speaking, that is a stone. So, like this, so many things appear. Marriage water, carnal nira. Marriage water, it appears, but it is not there. There is no change at all. Therefore, that is the example he gives. Udiritaha means already said. Brahman is intact like a rope. Brahman is intact, but this prapancha like snake, snake-like prapancha threatens, exploits. Lot of problem. Therefore, Shastra says, problem is not in the world because of your ajnana. Because prapancham is not there. But this flesh and blood bones we give reality. That's the problem. Next topic. So what is vivarta, what is vikara is over now. Next, 139. First layer of resolution. He is starting. Tathahim etad bhogayatanam chaturvidha sakala sthula sharira jatam bhogya rupa annapanadikam etadayatanam bhutam bhuradi chaturdasha bhuvanani etadayatana bhutam brahmandam cha etas sarvametesham karanarupam panchikruta bhutamatram bhavati. This apavada negation is very, very important. Just knowing Brahman is there, that Brahman only is the cause of this universe, created this universe, that Brahman alone is called a God, that God alone is we are worshipping. Simple, whole thing over. But that will not give moksha to me. That knowledge will not remove my ignorance, my limitation, my samsara, my dukkha, it will not remove. So that prapancha, what is its reality, I should know. Everybody easily talk about the creation. Creation patti pesron. Asali this creation is there or not? Nobody question. Because the creation is that much attractive. Very, very, very attractive. Varieties of attractions. And after giving this attraction to this creation, uncontrollable, unpredictable, unavoidable, all the things we have to undergo. This is very important. Having given the reality to the world, just as the waker created the dream, creator, waker of the dream became creature of the dream. Correct dane? Creator of the dream became creature of the dream. Similarly, we also happily talk about the creation, date of birth, birthdays ella celebrate panninde irukom. And we attend many birthdays also. And what is the minus point in this? No? Unpredictable. Whole thing is unpredictable. நமக்கே தெரியாது எப்போ கால் சுளுக்குன்னு தெரியாது. Unpredictable and unavoidable. You cannot avoid so many things in your life. Unpredictable, unavoidable. Then what else? Unchangeable. You cannot change also. So happily we give reality and we suffer. Uncontrollable, not unchangeable, uncontrollable. We don't have control at all. What control the waker have got in the dream, tell me? What control he has got? Nightmare, crying, screaming, no control. What dream is going to come? Unpredictable. Today let me get nice dream. Adnal Anjaneyar Stotram ella padichi Duswapna Pariharartham Nashanartham one sloka ella padichi Thungita ella ketta kanavu. Uncontrollable, unpredictable. Let me avoid this dream today. unavoidable. Correct? Unavoidable, uncontrollable, unpredictable. At least it will go after waking up also, you go on talking about, yesterday I got a very bad dream. And this person up to 1 week, nearly worry about the dream, which is unreal. Like that, this whole creation is also created by this Jagrat Vakar. This Vakar creates the whole universe because of his ignorance. Uncontrollable, unpredictable, unavoidable, and started screaming. My மாமியார் இப்படி சொன்னா, my மாமனார் அப்படி சொன்னா, my sister-in-law இப்படி சொன்னா, my boss அப்படி சொன்னா, ஒரே complaints. தேவையா? That's a drama. If you know it is a drama and you act, it is wonderful. As when you are acting a dramatist, I am acting and if you remember, it is okay. But you forget you are playing a role and taking that beggar actor as real, what will happen? Suffering, no? That's why Jnani knows and acts. Ajnani doesn't know, suffer. That's all. Jnani also continues in the world. Jnani also continue the body. Jnani also have pasi daham ellame. But he knows this is a drama. He enjoys. Life is wonderful. If I don't know this principle, life is miserable. So miserable is because of our ignorance. Wonderful entertainment. For a Jnani, interaction is an entertainment. For Ajnani, interaction is painful, miserable. There is what change in the same world. Same world. Where is the difference? Cognition. Notional correction. Jnana means nothing but notional correction. Tathahi. That to illustrate this, tathahi, moreover, now what we have to illustrate apavada. How you have to do negation? In this manner. Etad bhogayatanam, this medium which is an abode to enjoy. Bhoga means to enjoy, to experience. Body is a medium. Bhogayatanam. How this has come into existence? Chaturvidha sakala sthula sharira jatam. All sthula sharirams, gross bodies, sakala, all sthula sharirams, not only human body. All bodies, sakala means entire, total, sthula sharira, jata means group. Group of gross bodies born out of Chaturvidham, 3 varieties. We saw that Jarayujam, Svedajam, Udbhijam, Andajam. All this we saw, I don't want to explain again. Chaturvidham, Sakalam, Sthula Sharira Jatam, Bhogya Rupa. So this is Upadhi. What is this for this ayatanam? What is the Bhogya Vastu? Annam, Panam. Morning saptam, Madhyana saptam, night ready vechittu vandittu. Bhoga sadhanam. Bhoga Rupa Annapanadikam, food and water. Any solid food, any liquid. That is, you have to supply other enjoyments also. Bhogam, whatever you undergo, experience. Etad ayatana bhuta bhuradi chaturdasha bhuvanani. Etad ayatana bhutam brahmandam. So up to here Veshti. Etad ayatana bhuta, up to here Veshti, individual, micro. Then what is samashti? There also we saw micro and macro. Adhyarupamlo, apavadallo kuda micro and macro we have to see. Etad ayatana bhuta. Here in samashtila, what is the ayatanam? Bhuradi. Bhuloka, bhuvarloka, suvarloka, maharloka, janaloka, tapoloka, satyaloka. 7 lokas up, 7 lokas down. Atala, vitala, sutala, tala, atala, rasa, atala, maha, atala, patala. ஞாபகம் இருக்கும் எங்க படிச்சோம் இதே புக்ல. Here only 14 lokas we saw. This is samashti level ayatanam. So bhuradi chaturdasha 14 bhuvanani lokas worlds. 14 lokas bhuvanani edad ayatana bhutam brahmandam. This is a pindam. All pindams are in what? Brahmandam. That is macro universe. Andandambulu, pindandambulu, anta Ramamayo ni sollita. Nam enna solla porom? Brahmamayo. Avladha. Sagunama சொன்ன ராமமயம், நிர்குணமா சொன்ன பிரம்மமயம். இது பரா பிரகிருதி, அது அபரா பிரகிருதி. இப்போ ரொம்ப மிக்ஸ்டில் இருக்கோம், நம்ம ரெண்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா? தட்ஸ் ஆல் மிக்ஸ்சர். பிரம்மாண்டம் ச ஏதத் சர்வம் ஏதேஷாம் காரணரூபம். ஏதே சர்வேஷாம் மீன்ஸ் for all these vyashti sharirams, sthula sharirams, samashti sthula sharirams, all samashti level, lokas and bhoga vastu jatam, 3 we have to see 3 levels. Shariram is called ayatanam. Vishayaha, that bhogya padartham. And lokaha. Loka is required, Vishaya is required, bhogya padartham. And bhokta is their shariram. So bhokta, shariram, bhogya padartham, vishayaha, and loka. You must be there in one loka. Now we are in which loka? Bhuloka. So we are in Bhuloka. Loka is required. You cannot hang somewhere. No. Loka. So all these come under etesham, etas sarvam, etesham. For all these sharira, vishaya, bhogya padartham, loka, karana rupam, panchikrita bhuta matram bhavati. All these are nothing but panchikrita bhuta matram. They are what? Grossified elements. All bodies are what? Grossified elements. Panchikrita is grossified. Grossified bhutam elements. Panchikrita bhuta matram. That much alone. They are nothing but. So whatever you are seeing, enjoying, with what you are enjoying, ayatanam, and which loka you are enjoying, are nothing but what? Grossified 5 elements. பரத்தை மறைத்தது பார்முதல் பூதன், பரத்தில் மறைந்தது பார்முதல் பூதம். அடிக்கடி சொல்ல மாட்டேன். ஓகே, அப்பப்போ சொல்லணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக். ஓகே. ஏதானி சப்தாதி விஷய சகிதானி பஞ்சீகிருதானி பூதானி सूक्ष्म शरीर जातं सूक्ष्म शरीर जातं च एतत् सर्वम् एतेषां कारणरूपम् अपञ्चीकृत भूतमात्रम् भवति. The gross bodies are nothing but grossified elements, products. In the grossified elements, products, gross bodies. What about subtle bodies? Subtle bodies, they say, Sukshma Sharira Jatam Etani Shabdadi Vishaya Sahitani. Shabda, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, all Sparsha, all of them are Jnana Indriyani. Pani, Pada, Payu, Vak, Upastha, all come under Karma Indriyani. Pancha pranas are there, Vyana, Samana, Udana, Apana, Prana, 5 pranas. That is called Adi Padartha. Shabdadi means what? Sukshma Bhutani are nothing but they are all modified into Sukshma Shariram. So everything is going to be dissolved now. Okay, ready. Everything is going to be dissolved. Shabdadi Vishaya Sahitani. Vishayam means object. Its corresponding objects. Shabda Vishayaha. Strotrasya Vishayaha Shabdaha. Chakshusha Vishayaha Rupam. Granasya Nasikaya Granam. Granasya Vishayaha Gandhaha. Rasanaya Vishayaha Varunaha, that means taste. So sparsha. All these they have their vishaya. Otherwise, what is the use? Mukkirge, enna use? Nose. As long as it is functions, smells, it's useful. As long as it hears, it is useful. Its vishaya has to be received. So this indriyam and its vishayam, they are related. Adha shabdadi vishayam, you have to supply Shrotram, all Indriyams. These are Vishayams. Other it says Vishaya Sahitani. Panchikritani Bhutani. Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi, 5 elements grossified. They have shared 18, 18, 18. Gnapakirko? Gnapakirkundhu nallade. Ada Panchikritani. They became grossified and they are grossified because of that only Sukshma Shariram came. Illiyo? Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha all came because of grossification. Therefore he says, Panchikritani Bhutani Sukshma Sharira Jatam. Once they are grossified only, this Sukshma Shariram has come. That's why each element is having its nature. That element jude gunam irukka. Akasha shabda gunam. Prithvi gandha gunam. Jalam taste rasanam. Like that vayu tvagindriyam. So one indriyam, one element they have got. That's why panchikritani bhutani sukshma sharira jatam cha etat sarvam etesham karana rupa apanchikrita bhuta matram bhavati. What is their cause? What is their cause? Means sthula shariram cause is sukshma shariram. Sukshma shariram cause and sthula shariram cause sthula bhutani. Sukshma shariram cause is sukshma bhutani. Clear? This subtle body, its cause is ungrossified 5 elements. After grossification only they became. They came out of ungrossified apanchikrita bhutani. Once these subtle bodies has to come, they have to become panchikarana. So, what is their cause? Subtle body cause is apanchikrita panchabhutani. Ungrossified elements are the cause. They become grossified, they transformed into subtle body. So, karana rupam is what? Apanchikrita bhutani. So, they have to dissolve into what? Apanchikritam. Once they dissolve into apanchikritam, all sense organs dissolved. They are dissolved because they have to go to their cause. They have to go to their cause. That karana rupa means its cause. Apanchikrita bhuta matram bhavati. Their cause is nothing but ungrossified 5 elements. Grossified 5 elements will become, grossification. Here what? Sthulam, and you experience. The Shabdam you experience. Rupam you experience. If they are not grossified, you cannot experience Akasha, you cannot experience water, you cannot experience fire, you cannot experience even Prithvi. These are all unimaginable for us. The earth, what you are seeing, its subtle form you cannot see actually. It has grossified, then only you are able to see. In their subtle form you cannot see. Once they are grossified, changed, interchanged, they are able to perception. They are available for perception. Person is able to have a perception, experience. Okay? Karana rupa panchi apanchikrita bhuta matram bhavati. Their cause is apanchikritam, ungrossified. Once they are grossified, grossification take place, they become subtle body. Subtle world, subtle body. Gross world, gross body. Gross world, gross bodies, who is the cause? Gross elements. Gross elements, who is the cause? Subtle elements. Therefore, these gross elements are called elementals. Subtle elements are the cause for gross elements. So, gross elements have to merge where? Subtle elements. Subtle elements have to merge where? In causal. Karanam. Mula Karanam. Next topic. 141. So, they are called Bhautikam. Bhautikam resolve into Sthula Bhutam. Ada Bhautikamanna elementals. எத்தனை வாட்டி படிச்சா இது அப்படிதான் இருக்கும் சப்ஜெக்ட். I know you are all blinking at me. Grass. Elementals are called Bhautikam. Bhautikam only you can perceive, you can experience. At Bhutam level you cannot perceive. So Bhautikam means elementals. They resolve into elements. Bhutam. Clear? Therefore he says now next gross dissolve into subtle. Next he says, next one, that sattva, rajas, tamo gunas, they also have to merge. All gunas are there. 5 elements have got what? 3 gunas. And the 3 gunas mixed aynadani idella varde. Sattva gunat jnana indriyani adella. That's what he says here. Etani sattvadi gunasahitani. Apanchikritani. Vyutpatti vyutkramena. Etat karanabhutam ajnana upahita chaitanya matram bhavati. Again, this lesson has to be read at home. Then only you can grasp easily. Etani, these 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Etani means Shabdadi. He said Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Jnanendriyani, Pancha Pranadaya, Manas, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, all of them put together. Etani Sattvadi Guna Sahitani Pancha Jnana Indriyani Sattvam. pancha karma indriyani rajas, pranadayah tamas. Like that they have divided all these three gunas, divided. Sahitani, from where they came? Apanchikritani. They are all born from the ungrossified elements. Ungrossified elements. Vyutpatti Vyutkramena. That order has to be reversed now. Vyutpatti, they are born out of grossified elements. Now Vyutkramena means they have to reverse. Panchikritam has to become what? Apanchikritam. Panchikritam ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே இந்த சப்த ஸ்பர்ஷ ரூபா வந்தது. இந்த சப்த ஸ்பர்ஷ ரூபா வந்ததுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? இப்போ யூ ஹேவ் டு மெர்ஜ். ஸோ அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு அபஞ்சீகிருத்தம் ஆகணும். அபஞ்சீகிருத்தம்னா அன்கிராசிஃபைடு. அதான் வியுத்கிரமேண. எப்படி வந்தாலோ அப்படியே போகணும். ஆயாராம் கயாராம். Therefore, vyutkramena. Etat karanabhutam. What is karanabhutam for them? Apanchikrita panchabhutaniki. Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutah. So, etat karanarupam, karanabhutam, ajnana upahita chaitanya matram bhavad. Maya sahitam brahma anartha. Ajnana upahita chaitanyam anartham. Maya sahitam. Ajnana. Ajnana na ajnanam. Maya Shakti. Upahita chaitanyam is called Ishvara. They have to merge into Ishvara. Vishwa merge into Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha merge into Ishvara. Who is Ishvara? Maya sahitam Brahma. So, Ajnana upahita chaitanyam manna Maya sahitam Brahma. Ishwaran yarapana. Brahman, Mrs. Maya. Brahman is husband. Maya is wife. அவர் அந்த அம்மா கை பிடிச்சிட்டு மாய பண்றார். ஈஸ்வரஹா பவதி. நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக். See, this reverse order also given by whom? Ishvara only. Teaching gave by whom? Ishvara. ஈஸ்வரனே சொல்றாரு, யூ ரிசால்வ் மீ என்று சொல்லிட்டார் அவரே. என்ன உண்மை, நிஜமா சொல்றேன். The teaching gave by Lord. Lord says, they dissolve everything into me. என்ன சொல்றாரு? The theory is given by Bhagavan. Veda came out of Bhagavan. Therefore, Ishvara, you have to remember, Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. Vishwa at individual level. Gross body, subtle body, causal body. Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. Vishwa merges into Taijasa, Taijasa merges into Prajna. There in total level, Virat merges into Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha merges into Ishvara. இந்த ஈஸ்வரனுக்கு பிராக்ஞனுக்கு அது டோட்டல் லெவல், இது இண்டிவிஜுவல் லெவல். வாட் இஸ் காரணம் ஃபார் போத் ஆஃப் தெம்? பிரம்மன். பிரம்மன் இஸ் த காரணம். வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் பிரம்மன்? மாயா சகிதம் பிரம்ம. அதுதான் ஈஸ்வரன் வந்து ஈஸ்வரன் உண்டு பண்ணிட்டு ஹோல் கிரியேஷன் இஸ் கிரியேட்டிங். ஸோ ஈஸ்வர ஆல்சோ கிரியேட்டட் பை ஹூம்? பிரம்மன் ஓன்லி. பிரம்மன் இஸ் த காஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக் 142. ஏததஜ்ஞானம் ஞானோபஹிதம் சைதன்யம் ச ஈஸ்வராதிகம் ஏததாதாரபூதம் அனுபஹித சைதன்யரூபம் துரியம் பிரம்மமாத்ரம் பவதி. Now Ishvara has to merge into Turiya Atma, Brahman. So Ishvara also will be falsified finally. Vishishtadvaitam, those people say, ultimate is that Ishvara for them. That ultimate is Ishvara alone. But for us, Ishvara is not ultimate. And the Ishvarana Karanama irikindra Brahman the ultimate, we never give reality to Maya. That's Vishishtadvaitiki, Advaitiki difference. For them, ultimate is Ishvara. Ishvara means what? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Sakala Kalyana Gunagana Sampanna Nilayaha. Or the ultimate. Shastra says that Ishvara is not ultimate. He is Maya Sahitam Chaitanyam. And the Maya Sahitam Vid. Chaitanyam Id. Take Chaitanyam. Because Maya Sahitam cannot exist without Chaitanyam. Can Chaitanyam exist without Maya or not? So, by whose absence who exists is real. By whose absence who cannot exist is real. Tell me. Who can exist without any support is real. Brahman exists without Maya. Maya cannot exist without Brahman. Since Ishvara cannot exist without Maya, so Ishvara is false or real? அதுதான் சுவாமினி இந்த கிளாஸே வேண்டாம் சுவாமினி ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கா இதெல்லாம் ட்ரையாங்குலர் ஃபார்மேட் பீப்புளுக்கு அங்கே நிற்கணும் அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ வேதாந்தா இஸ் நாட் ஃபார் தெம். ஃபார் துவைத்தீஸ், விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தீஸ், they cannot enter into Vedanta because they stop there. And they have no guts to negate Ishvara. That means, guts means they don't have courage. Courage means what here? Fact is fact. Logically you have to understand here. Even Bhagavan wants that. Jnani itu Atma iva me matam, Bhagavan says. Jnani is myself, he says. So Ishvara, along with Maya, is not real nature of Ishvara. That is, Ishvara's status is because of Maya. What is Maya? Yama sa Maya. What is not there, that is Maya. What is there? Brahman. And the Sat principle விட்டுட்டு மாயா கூட ஓடுறியப்பான்னு அதுதான் மாயா. People all run after Maya. That's why Ekarupa, Ishvara, Vishwarupa, Ishvara, worship, God, bhajan, kirtana, ellame for lower level of people. வெச்சுக்கோ worship. நம்ம கூட கொஞ்சம் ஜாலர் போடுவோம், நம்ம கூட பஜனை பாடுவோம். ஆனாலும் that is also beautiful. Colorful decoration, colorful ornaments, colorful abhaya hastam. Advaitadapi sundaram. இங்கே சப்புன்னு இருக்கும், அது சுந்தரம். அங்கே போய் பொங்கல் சாப்பிடுவோம், வெண் பொங்கல் சாப்பிடுவோம், சுண்டல் சாப்பிடுவோம். We eat, but we know inside it is not real. தெரிஞ்சு கூட பண்ணலாம். All jnanis worship, do abhishekam, everything by knowing they do. Nothing wrong, it is for a sadhana. But உள்ளுக்குள்ள உனக்கு தெரியணும், இது அந்த பகவானுடைய ஒரு அம்சம் மாத்திரமே. திஸ் இஸ் ஓன்லி ஒரு சகுணம். அங்கே பிரம்மன் இருக்காரா இல்லையா? இருக்காரு. இல்லைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. பிரம்மன் சர்வகதம். பிரம்மன் இஸ் ஆல் பர்வேடிங். அங்க பிரம்மன் இல்லை சுவாமின்னா பிரம்மன் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம் ஆயிடும். That's why Advaiti can enjoy Visishtadvaitam, Dvaitam. Dvaiti cannot grasp Advaitam. Advaiti cannot enjoy Visishtadvaitam, Advaiti can enjoy Dvaitam, Advaiti can accommodate anything. He swallows. But Dvaitiya, Visishtadvaiti cannot withstand. அதுதான் அங்கேதான் தகராறு. புரியுறதா? மனசு விஷாலம் ஆகாது. ஏன்னா அந்த அத்வைத பிரம்மத்துல இருந்தா எல்லாமே வந்தது. யாவானர்த்த உதபானே சர்வத சம்ப்ளுதோதகே தாவான் சர்வேஷு வேதேஷு பிராமணஸ்ய விஜானதஹானர். The purpose you get from a small water that can be attained by that big reservoir water. The purpose of reservoir cannot be fulfilled by this small bucket of water, but the small bucket of water can, the same benefit you will get in the reservoir water or not. Now what do you want, bucket of water or reservoir? That's Krishna said in 2nd chapter. Arjuna, understand Atma Swarupam. That is the ultimate. With this jnana, jnani happily enjoys the Dvaitam. Advaitadapi Sundaram. Sundaram. That's why jnanik in the Shivana, Vishnuva, in the Vibhutiya, Kodakattaya, kadaive kadaiya, ella saapiduvan. No problem. இப்படி வைப்பா இப்படி வைப்பா இப்படி என்ன வச்சுக்கோ, என்ன நஷ்டம்னா இல்லை வேஷந்தானே, வேஷந்தான். ஸோ ஏத்தது அஜ்ஞானம். அஜ்ஞானம், இந்த அஜ்ஞானம் இக்னரன்ஸ் ஞான உபஹிதம் சைதன்யம் ச. ஏதத் அஜ்ஞானம் அஜ்ஞான உபஹித சைதன்யம். திஸ் அஜ்ஞானம் மாயா. ஓகே, total level maya, individual level ajnana. In the ajnanam mixed with what? Maya plus chaitanyam. Chaitanyam brahma. And the chaitanyam brahma upahita chaitanyam means mixed with, upahitam associated with, associated with maya or ajnanam or avidya or prakriti. That chaitanyam cha ishwaradikam. Ishvara Adipadat Jiva. Ishvara, Devata, so many of them are nothing but Ajnanam plus Chaitanyam. Upahita Chaitanyam, Ajnana. Ishvaradikam, Etat Adhara Bhutam. For this Ishvara, what is Adhara Bhutam? Anupahita Chaitanyam. That Chaitanyam which is not associated with Maya is the Adhara for Ishvara. Ishvara is not Ishvara without Chaitanyam. Ishvara loses its Ishvarahood without Chaitanyam, Brahman. Anupahita Chaitanyam. Anupahita Chaitanyam enna artham? Maya Rahita Chaitanyam. Maya Rahita Ishvara is what? Chaitanya, Suddha Chaitanyam, Brahman. Ada Anupahita Chaitanyam. What is that? Turiyam. Atma, Brahma Matram, Turiyam Brahma Matram. Which avladha ella dissolved into Brahman. Turiya Brahma Matram. So Turiya Brahma plus Maya become Ishvara. Ishvara to Hiranyagarbha, Hiranyagarbha to Virat, Virat to Prajna, Prajna to Taijasa, Taijasa to Vishwa, Vishwa to Jagat. Vandach. அப்படியே பின்னாடி போயிட்டு இருந்தேன்னா ஆதாரம் இஸ் வாட்? ஜெகதாதாரம். சாந்தாகாரம் புஜகசயனம் பத்மநாபம் சுரேஷம் விஸ்வாதாரம் ககன சதிருஷம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 lines துவைத்தம் விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம். third line is அத்வைத்தம். சாந்தாகாரம் புஜகசயனம் பத்மநாபம் சுரேஷம் இஸ் வாட்? விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் ஆர் துவைத்தம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Vishwadharam. Adharam is what? Turiyam Brahma. Vishwadharam. What is his nature? Gagana Sadrisham. Gagana vanna Akasham. Akasham kannukku theriyadha? அதே மாதிரி இந்த விஸ்வாதாரமான சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் துரிய பிரம்மன் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது. You cannot see with your eyes. Gagana Sadrisham. திருப்பி என்ன? மళ్ళி துவைத்தம். மேக வர்ணம் சுபாங்கம். பாருங்க எப்படி இந்த ஸ்லோகம் எடுத்தாலும் துவைத்தம் அத்வைத்தம் கம்பைன்ட். ஞானி knows what is Advaita word, what are all Advaitam words, what are all Dvaitam words. He enjoys. You are enjoying or not? You enjoy. Brahma matram bhavati. இப்போ நான் யாரு? Brahman with incidental body, mind, complex. விஸ்வா தைஜசா பிராக்ஞா யாருக்கு பேரு? எனக்கு பிரம்மனுக்கு இந்த மூணு பேர் ஒரு கோட்டு. பிராக்ஞா கோட்டு, தைஜசா கோட்டு, விஸ்வா கோட்டு. என்ன காரண சரீரம்? என்ன அப்படி பாக்குறேன்? காரண சரீரம் ஒரு கோட்டு. ஓகே, பிராக்ஞா அந்த தைஜசா இஸ் சட்டில் கோட்டு, விஸ்வா இஸ் கிராஸ் கோட்டு. மேல இருக்கிற கோட்டு கிராஸ் கோட், ஸ்தூல சரீரம். சட்டில் பாடி சட்டில் கோட்டு. ஓகே, தைஜசா. பிராக்ஞா காசல் கோட்டு, வெரி சட்லஸ்ட் காசல். இந்த மூணுக்கு இது கோட்டெல்லாம் யாரு மீது போட்டிருக்கோம்? என்ன மீது போட்டிருக்கோம். இந்த கோட்டெல்லாம் யார் மீது போட்டிருக்கோம்? என்னோட மேல தானே. அதே மாதிரி இந்த விஸ்வ தைஜச பிராக்ஞா கோட்டு யாருக்குப்பான்னா அகம் பிரம்மா துரிய ஆத்மாக்கு தான் இந்த மூணு கோட்டு. கோட்டு இல்லாம இன்டராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. எப்படி கோட்டெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு இன்டராக்ஷன் பண்றோம்? ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுட்டு தானே வெளியில போய் இன்டராக்ட் பண்றோம். அதே மாதிரி சுத்த பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம் துரியம் இந்த பிராக்ஞா தைஜசா விஸ்வா கோட்டு போடாமலே ரோல் பிளே பண்ண முடியாது. பண்ணு, என்ன நஷ்டம்? சமாதி எதுக்கு? இதுக்கு சமாதிக்கு போகணுமா? என்ன போகணுமா? அவசியம் இல்லையே. இப்ப கூட வாட் யூ ஆர் நவ் ஆல்சோ பிரம்மன். 6:30, 35, 4 கூட பிரம்மன் தான். 6 o'clock பிரம்மன், 5:30 பிரம்மன், எவர் பிரம்மன், ஆல்வேஸ் பிரம்மன். சோ அகம் பிரம்ம அஸ்மி. எப்போ? சதா சதா அகம் சோஹம் சோஹம். பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரிஹி ஓம்.